In today's video, I'm going to show you Aerless Vacuum Kit review, legit or scam product. The Aerless Vacuum Kit is a travel and storage product that includes vacuum seal bags and a portable pump designed to help compress clothing and other items to save space in luggage or storage. The official Aerless site shows the kit as made from durable anti-rip nylon with a rechargeable pump and a 100-day hassle-free return policy, and many of the positive testimonials on their product page talk about how well the bags compress clothes and make packing easier. When it comes to independent user feedback, experiences are very mixed. On Trustpilot, the company has a roughly 4 out of 5 overall score, with many reviewers saying the bags feel durable and the vacuum pump works as advertised, and a number of travelers reporting the kit does help them fit more into their luggage. Several customers also emphasize that the product quality itself is good when they finally receive it. However, there are significant red flags too. A large percentage of buyers, particularly in the past few months, report extremely slow or confusing shipping, tracking labels created without items actually shipped, poor customer service responses, and difficulty getting refunds. Multiple reviews claim they paid for orders that never arrived and struggled to get help, some even labeling the company scam-like because of false tracking, lack of communication, or inability to cancel. External website safety checks are also concerning. Tools like Scam Advisor give the Aerless website a very low trust score and label it potentially unsafe, in part because the domain is very new, has hidden ownership, and a suspiciously high number of reviews for its age. This doesn't conclusively prove fraud, but it is a red flag that merits caution. In summary, the Aerless Vacuum Kit product itself appears to be a real compression bag set that many users find useful, but the retailer behind it has mixed legitimacy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.